Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this beautiful, sparkly, glittery deliciousness. And I think this is a really beautiful look for the holidays. It's different, it's a little bolder or edgy. And really, I did this look for you, Alba. My sister never takes an interest in like makeup or what I'm doing. So yesterday she commented and she's like, do this and wear lipstick with it. Which I thought was funny because I didn't have lipstick on because I was just playing, girl. But I really love the way that this came out, and the fact that she complimented it really just kind of made me go, this needs to go up, because again, she's not like a makeup person. So if you guys want to see how I got her, let's go. All right, guys, today we're gonna be doing a really fun look. I was playing with makeup yesterday and I came up with this really pretty sparkly look, and honestly what inspired me was, boo, this is, well, first let me show you guys. It's one of these bags. It's a NARS holiday set. And it came with the liquid lipsticks, but I also have these guys. And today we're playing with her. I love this packaging so much. I feel like the blue isn't as nice. Let me show you. It's pretty, but it's not as nice as the purple. Like, it's just blue. This I'm excited for. So we are going to start by taking my paint pot. And this is in Lane Low. This is the shade that I prefer to use. I've said this before, but it's the one that's closest to my skin tone. And I feel like it's not as bright or white as the other shades. Boom. I am going to take a fluffy brush. These palettes are always hard to use, and this is what she looks like. I'm going to take this shade here. No, I lied. First, I'm going to take this shade here, which is just a very soft, muted brown. This actually really reminds me of the paint pot I just used. And I'm going to use that to set my primer. Now I'm going to go in with this pink here, which is the lightest pink in this palette. And I'm using the same brush, and I'm just going to use this in the crease, and I'm going to bring this up. So I don't know if I've ever shared this with you guys, but I'm into stars. Like, I at one point wanted to get like a star tattoo. I don't have any tattoos, by the way, but I associate stars with my aunt who passed away when I was a junior in high school. She was a very special person to me and my family, really. Like, that lady made things happen. Like, she was just incredibly kind, loving, supportive. She was Santa. She was the Easter Bunny. She was Thanksgiving. She was life. Like, I can't even begin to tell you guys just how important she is to my family. So she passed, and I associate her with stars. Long story short, she had given me these glow-in-the-dark stars for my room. She was always into like quirky things too, but she gave me these stars. And when she passed, I found one stuck on my arm just out of nowhere. They weren't even open. It's gonna make me cry, so. That's what I associate it with. So I'm really into stars. I love stars. And this is definitely something that she would have loved, for sure. Okay, I'm gonna take a denser brush, and I'm going to go in with the reddish pink shade. Mommy. Okay, mi amor. I'm just concentrating this pink shade in the outer corner and then bringing it up into the crease. Mommy. ¿Qué, mi amor?
¿Outside?
No, tú estás enfermo.
Huh?
Tú estás enfermo. No outside.
Please.
I'm going to take my fluffy brush and I'm going to blend this. Papi,
Huh?
¿qué estás haciendo? I'm going to take this shimmery pink, it kind of reflects gold, with my finger. And I'm going to press this where I don't have any color. So now I'm going to take, the eye look is pretty much done. I'm going to take this Stila liquid glitter, and this one is in the shade Next to Note, which is this really pretty burgundy shade, and it's very sheer. I was surprised when I used it yesterday just how sheer it was, but I'm taking it with a MAC 210. So I'm going to first start off by, and I'm going to mute this, but I'm going to start off by mapping out the shape in the crease and then creating the first wing, and then I'm going to line my lower lash line and create another wing. So you guys will see that. I'm going to speed it up. Take your time. Start off with a decent amount of product, and don't worry if you mess up, because you can always make it thicker on the top, and that's okay. It'll just make the look a little bit more interesting. And let's go. Alright guys, so I took the liner too high. I really just need to bring this down a little bit more. And all I did was I just took a Q-tip and wiped off the wing where I had it. And now we're just building up on it. Damn, I know I should have filmed this last night. Okay, so now that I brought this end where I want it, now I'm going to start creating the wing. Again, don't worry about the neatness of it all, because you can always go in with a Q-tip and fix it. And then we still don't have on our complexion product. Damn it, that's what I should have done. Last night when I did this look, I had on foundation already. Okay, so now I'm going to take more of that product and I'm going to start working on the bottom. Sorry guys, I need to fix that. It was bothering me. And I'm just intensifying the glitter liner, like the actual pigment, because my wand was just kind of low and I really want the liner to stand out. So now I'm going to start mapping out the liner or the wing. And you guys don't have to get really close, so I apologize, but this will be out of frame. Alright guys, so what I did was I brought out the wing, and you kind of want it to match up with the top liner. So I'm going to bring this up just a little bit more. And there you have it. This looks a little different than yesterday, but that's okay. It's, you know, yesterday was fun and I was just playing, and today I'm like trying to get this look for you guys. So I'm just gonna go in and touch this up. Guys, so this is what we have so far. you'll want to do your foundation before. I should have thought about that, but I messed up. Okay, we're gonna do the other eye. Same thing. I love this look. I can't tell you guys how much I love this look. So you really want to take your time with this just to kind of make sure that everything looks even and that you're able to make any adjustments. But I think this looks really good. So I'm going to go ahead and do the bottom. So the gap between these and these is a little bit different because you guys know that this eye droops down more than this one. So all I'm doing is I'm adding additional width to that liner just to kind of make them look similar to this one. So again, the eye shape is different, which you guys know that one eye for me is, this one has more of a lift, and you kind of have to compensate with this eye. So it's just making little tweaks based on your own eye look or eye shape. I'm going to go ahead and do my complexion. I'm going to be using Hourglass Vanish Foundation, and you guys know my routine. I'm not going to film that for you because really the focal point is the eye, and I really want to make sure that I have time to work with getting the foundation on, not have to worry about filming. So I will be back. All right guys, so here is the look with mascara and eyebrows. After I did my mascara, I saw that there were just some little details that I needed to fix in order to make both eyes look as even as possible. So I had to bring this one up slightly higher to match this one because this is my little eye. So this is where we're currently at. I'm going to go in with my very loved St. Tropez bronzer, and I like to mix the three. And we're going to sculpt the face a little bit. Mama? That was my son. He just locked me in my room. Thank you. I'm going to add just a little bit more of the darker shades. Just to really add some warmth to my pale self. I just hit pan on this. That's how you know I love it. Look. There it is. Pan. So we're going to be using this little guy. And this is the Hustle palette. Hustle, hustle, hustle. This is what the shades look like. I'm going to use a highlighter first. I'm going to be using this brush. This is a Sephora Collection Fan Detail 62 brush. And I'm going to go in with this first shade. There was another palette. It was a red one that I wanted, but it's sold out, man. You know what this look makes me think of? Selena. I don't know why, it makes me think of like that last concert that she did with the purpley outfit. Loved it. I'm gonna go in with that shade, using the same brush I used for my bronzer. Alright guys, for my lips I'm going to be using this Lancome lip product. This is in the shade 193. It is a pretty pinky berry shade. I think this is like a lip stain. It doesn't feel like a gloss or a liquid lipstick, but it's very pigmented. I'm going to take a little bit of my Evian water and just make everything look like skin. Alright guys, so this is the final look. This has got to be my favorite look, like all-time favorite look. I love the way this looks. I love the purple. I love everything about this look. I am just really happy with the way that it turned out. It just goes to show that when you play with makeup just for fun, you can create a really interesting and different look without having everything be so perfect. You guys know that, again, my eyes are shaped differently. This one has more lift, this one's a little womp womp, and so it's taken some effort to kind of make them look even, and even then they're not perfect, and that's okay. I love the way that this looks. So I'm going to give you guys an alternative lip option for those of you that are like, oh, that's too much pink, boo. I'm going to show you another option. So I've removed the lip stain, and as you guys can see, I still have a little bit of a flush. I'm going to go in with a gloss. This is Pat McGrath. And this was in Angelic, I think. This is the softer, muted version of a lip, even though my preference was the bold pink. And I'm going to go back to that. But for those of you that are not comfortable with having pink on pink on pink, I gave you guys a nude option or a softer option, and they're both really pretty. I just prefer the brighter shade because that's where I'm at. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't done so already, leave a comment down below showing me some love, and Alba, this one's for you. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.